Forklift operation. Today's talk is about forklifts. Forklifts are commonly used in industry for material transport. Here at the plant, we have various types of forklifts: two-wheelers, platform forklifts, and lifters. But these are not the only types. Forklift operators must always wear gloves and safety shoes. This is a basic safety measure. Let's talk about the precautions when using forklifts. One danger is when the wheels go over metal bridges or platforms. Another is colliding with other vehicles or obstacles. Also, there's the risk of pinching hands in the forklift or under the load. Workers must drive forklifts at a safe speed and maintain control. Pay extra attention to blind corners and doors. When you finish using a forklift, park it in the right place. Do not block aisles or leave it where it can cause falls. Forklifts with a pulling bar should be parked with the bar raised. Two-wheel forklifts should be placed upright against a wall or another forklift. Make sure the wheels are locked. Forklifts must be inspected daily. Check that the axles are well lubricated. Always use the right forklift for the job. No single forklift works for all materials. Two-wheel forklifts are easy to use but still have risks. The load's center of gravity should be as low as possible. If there are multiple loads, place the heaviest ones at the bottom. When loading, keep feet clear of the wheels. Place their weight over the axle, not over the handles. The load should be secure to prevent slipping or falling. Only load to a height that allows proper visibility for the operator. When lifting a two-wheel forklift, use your legs, not your back. The same applies when lowering it. The forklift should carry their weight. The operator's job is to balance and push it. Never reverse a manual forklift. For large or pressurized objects, secure the load with straps or chains. When going downhill, the forklift should go ahead. When going uphill, the forklift should follow. This applies to four-wheel forklifts too. Never run while operating a forklift. Drive at a safe, controlled speed. Forklifts help reduce physical effort and make material handling easier. But always use them safely and follow prevention rules.